Wepa mi gente, guys, it's your HVAC Papi, your favorite boiler man, and guys, we're here in the boogie down Bronx, baby. That's right. What a beautiful day it is here today, guys. My favorite city, New York City. Look behind me. Look at this beautiful skyline, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is my hood, my people, mi gente. But guys, we're over here in the Bronx installing an Navien NCB 240-130H. And how did she find the HVAC Papi? On YouTube, baby. This shit works. I can't make it up. But the beauty about this is great people, great vibes, Latino vibes, because she's Latina. And guys, this is what I'm talking about. I want to help mi gente, and I love it. And I love helping mi gente with the art and what I do, which is HVAC and plumbing and boilers. So guys, are you ready to take this journey with me? Let me take you to Little Puerto Rico here. Little Puerto Rico, Little San Juan here in Puerto Rico in the Bronx, right? That's actually a little Puerto Rico right here, believe it or not, in the Bronx. So you ready, baby? Oh, papi, let's go to Puerto Rico. Wepa!
New York Boiler and Air Conditioning Repair. If you're feeling hot this summer, New York Boiler keep it cool all summer long. Wepa!
Oh, mi gente, check her out. Look at this beautiful, sexy thing right here. Look at this boiler. Look at this. Ooh, she's melting my heart, baby. That's right, guys. Look at this Navien boiler, NCB 240-130H, baby. We're gonna bring that heat. We're gonna bring that hot water. And guys, like I said before, we're in San Juan, baby, in the Bronx. That's right, we're in mini Puerto Rico. So guys, listen, and even in Puerto Rico, we need hot water, believe it or not. So we're gonna give them that. We're gonna give them just that, heat and hot water. Guys, you know it's the end of the summertime. We're in basically fall. And you know what I like? I love it, kid. It's boiler season. And it's that time of the year, guys. So mi gente, stay tuned because, man, you're in for a big surprise and a big treat. Tell me what you think. Leave the comment below. And guys, wait till the end of the video because I got a big surprise for you. You know who it is? I don't know. I'll tell you who it is. Stay tuned. You gotta keep watching. Wepa! All right, mi gente, guys, we just finished wrapping up this beautiful installation right behind me. Guys, look at this beautiful install, guys. I mean, detail, detail, detail. Detail matters. That's right, guys. It's been a long day. Listen, it cramped up in this little space, but the job had to get done. So a big shout out to Theo, big shout out to Leo, and big shout out to Kevin and the whole team. And we can never forget the videographer. He's right behind the camera on the lens. But guys, this is what it takes, guys. It takes teamwork. That's right. So look, NCB 240-130H. They needed heat, they need hot water, and we brought the heat, baby. That's right, they got hot water to clean that. Woo, wait! You gotta clean them so man, clean that culito. That's right. But check it out, guys. Listen, we got the magnetic filter, we got the purge valve to bleed out and to remove the air. I'm sorry. It's been a long day, guys. Excuse me. But we got a purge valve here to remove the air. What else? We got it's a one-zone system, so we got the multi-speed Takeo 0015 circulatory pump. We got the air separator. We got a neutralizer and a condensate pump all in one. Of course, guys, this always got to look clean, look good. Look at this beautiful backboard, right? It makes it appear so much better. It looks so much better if you ask me. And then we also took out, we went out the way, the extra mile to paint. That's actually not wood. That's actually cement right there. But we wanted to paint it so it can match and make it look good, you know, clean to the eye. So guys, these are things I'm talking about. Details matters, teamwork matters. Oh, somebody's calling. Who is that? Oh, guess what? They're gonna have to wait because guess what? This is important, baby. Heat is what matters, hot water is what matters, and guess what? They're gonna have to wait until the video's over. But guys, without further ado, we just finished wrapping up this video. It's been a long day, we wanna leave, but I wanna leave you with this note. Guys, if you need heat, you need hot water, who are you gonna call? You call the HVAC Papi, and guys, the New York Boiler team is coming to your home to give you the heat, baby. So listen, fall is here, winter's approaching, so you need heat, you need hot water, who are you gonna call? 516-377-5200, and that's for the HVAC Papi and Louie who you mentioned. Wepa!
Esa casa está caliente, todo sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ya llegó el aire. Esa casa está caliente, todo sudando toda la gente. Solo llama a Louie, ya llegó el aire. Louie, 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 Lou. Louie, 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 Lou. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie, 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 Lou. Fuego, fuego, llama a New York Alde.
Guys, I told you, un momento, and I got the jefa here. Listen, la jefa right here. I'm not gonna say no more. Let Jackie do all the talking and the speaking. And Jackie, what do you want to say?
This is wonderful. Look at this. This is so professional. I can't believe it. It's so clean. It's excellent. It's perfect. My heat is up.
Yes.
I have hot water.
Touch this right here. Very caliente. Very caliente.
Yes. I'm happy. I can't be I can't. I don't even know what to say.
No,
You gave me what I wanted.
I appreciate that. It's not me. It's the team right here. It's
Yeah,
Leo,
these guys are
Theo,
great.
Kevin, also the videographer Rick. But I want to ask you, like, I mean, the person who installed this years ago, whoever it was, we want to point fingers. But what was it about that boiler? What made you call the HVAC Papi and New York boiler? How did you find us? And what was it before that you had? What was the problem you had before with your original boiler?
Well, before I had problems, and all I had to do was press reset. There came a point where I couldn't press reset anymore.
Gotcha.
I got on YouTube, started looking for solutions. I got you on YouTube. I saw your beautiful work. I said, you know what? Let me give this guy a try.
I really appreciate that.
Did the right thing, and here we are.
Now that you see the finished product compared to what it was before, what goes to your mind? What's the first thing that comes to your mind? Now that you see it, like, wow, because we had the unit over here. We also put a backboard. We also painted it all black. This wasn't going to be painted, but I told them paint everything so it looks aesthetic, it looks nice and even, and it has that flow, or más flow, by the way.
Yes.
How do you feel how it looks and how it's, how it's designed? What do you think?
It's a whole remodel here. You even painted my wall. This is great. This is awesome. I'm very impressed.
Oh, thank you. That means
Very
a lot. That
impressed.
definitely means a lot to me.
Yes.
From the heart, for all the guys, the team. This is one of them. Come over here, Leo. I'm excited. Leo, get in here. Get in here, baby. So Leo, he's also part of the team. He's young, he's ambitious, and he wants to learn, and he's learning. And he already came with a couple of years experience, but now he never done like this type of boiler. And I told him, listen, what matters is detail. And I told him, what I want to do is kind of like wow you and show you, because to me, we take pride in our work. And maybe somebody else may think it's just a boiler, but for us, it's our living. That's how we make money. That's how we pay our bills and we feed our families. And to put a smile on your face and for you to be happy, that means a lot to us. It means a lot, for me at least. Anything you want to say, Leo? You very calladito.
No, muchas gracias por la oportunidad y aquí una más para el cuaderno, para seguir aprendiendo y agradecido con todo y agradecido primero que todo con Dios por darle una oportunidad de estar aquí bien físicamente y...
That's my wife calling me, but she's gonna have to wait. But guys, without further ado, everybody knows me as the Wepa Man, so count of three, gonna say Wepa. Listen, we're a family now, so you gotta come in closer, So the count of three, 1, 2, 3, Wepa!
Mi gente, it's Louie The Boiler Man, and it's time to keep your home cool. Wepa! Fuego, it's the New York Papi. Fuego, it's the HVAC Papi. Fuego, y está caliente. Louie The Boiler Man is here to cool me, gente. It's hot outside and it's gonna get hotter. On New York Boiler, we'll cool your gas.
516-377-5200, and Louis, who you mentioned, Wepa!